just forget the study and then they just focus on.
Same as me.
Yeah.
I went to school for sport. That's it.
Yeah, but in that time we have no sports.
Oh, okay, so you have to play it outside of school.
Outside the school after a few years when I'm 12.
Yeah?
I asked my dad. Now I'm starting professionally.
At 12 years of age?
Yeah. Then.
Wow.
Because every Saturday night we have a playing match, like day-night match.
Okay.
We are starting like 10-11 till 3-4 o'clock in the street. We put light on.
Hold on a second. At 10-11 at night?
Yeah, but it's Saturday night.
So it doesn't matter what happens the next day. This is a late night.
Yeah, late night.
So the street lights go on.
Yeah.
How many people playing?
Like 6 people.
6 per team?
Per team. But all is our cousin, like brother and cousin. We playing proper match. Proper 4-hour match, proper bowling.